I would like to put a special call out to a couple of visitors from Minnesota and Wisconsin that are here today. Randy had mentioned them earlier. Mark LaForce and Cindy Hartz, Cindy Schaefer, as our Galfor Plotler and Galfor Constrin. They are here today. They were doing a workshop this weekend with us. So I wanted to say a nice warm welcome to them. Representing the lead male dancer and the lead female dancer for all of the German-American dancing groups in North America and Canada from the Galfabon North America. Today we're going to be doing a number on the Alpenhorns called De Burner, and I already had a gentleman ask me earlier this afternoon, what is this made out of? It's made out of a tree. It's completely wood except for the joints. So it used to be a tree growing out the side of the mountain. You cut it down at the trunk, split it in half, hollow it out, wrap it with a bamboo or a wicker to give it some strength and rigidity, because the wood itself is maybe 2 or 3 millimeters thick along the entire length of the horn. So we give it the strength with the bamboo or the rattan that wraps around it. And Sid and I are going to play a number called